do that. It's fucking stupid because I'm the only solo acoustic artist on this tour. So they're obviously very ignorant.
You're the man! I love you! I love you! I love you!
I'm not playing any of my songs. I'm gonna do covers. Have you guys ever heard of Mike Fishkin? Dude, Adobe Radio dude? You know that guy? No? Don't lie, you don't know him. He's awesome though. But this song goes out to him. It's his favorite song of mine. And he didn't get to sing and play on Warped Tour. So this goes out to Mike. You don't sing as loud as you can, I'm gonna be pissed, by the way. I saw you standing on that bridge. Right then I knew the life that I would like to live. Your frizzy hair tingled my mind. Right then I knew that I would love you for all time. You ran your hand across the ledge. Right then I felt that all my hunger had been fed. You cracked a smile up towards the sky. That thought alone will keep me happy for my life. But I ask now, how can angels fly when you're still on the ground? 'Cause I've been searching my whole life for you to turn my life around. And now I don't know what to say because the pain won't go away. And I've been crying since the day that you took all I could away. I wish I'd never walked away. Come on, louder. 'Cause if I knew you'd jump, I'd dive into that thing. And I would save you from the cold. But when you took that leap, you stole my heart and soul. So I ask now, how can angels fly when you're still on the ground? Louder. 'Cause I've been searching my whole life for you to turn my life around. And now I don't know what to do 'cause I've been standing at your grave. And I've been crying since the day that you took all I could away. Your mother said up above, and all you wanted was a man to your love. Well, I just started breaking down, because the angel I've been searching for had left me on the ground. And now I'm dying all alone. Give it up for fucking Brigades and Heart to Heart. I'm one of those people. I was trying to tell Darren today. I think it's really rude if you don't like a band, go up and tell them that you like them, because I feel like you're just being a pretentious asshole and you should just keep your opinion yourself if you don't like them, because you're a liar. And so I was trying to tell Darren when I fucking love Brigades so goddamn much, and I think he's the next fucking Craig Owens. I mean it with all of my heart. So if you weren't listening too closely to that guy's voice, that's why you're not fainted yet and fucking losing your mind, because that dude's got a beautiful fucking voice. Give it up for Brigades. One of the best goddamn opening bands on any tour I've ever fucking seen. This song's called Poison. Well, they say the heart only wants what it can't have. So I guess your hand in mine will never fit. Well, if I could find my heart inside this empty frozen chest, then you would find that I'd give you all of it. Go louder. Why are you so fucking quiet?
Put out the fire in my eyes. You cause the water in my veins when you're around.
You make me wish that I would fucking die!
I'm getting louder. Calling out my name.
But I still feel your breath
Across my neck, driving me insane.
But you don't love me.
So how do you explain?
You walk away
From my life when you live inside my brain.
That's like fucking beautiful. And I thought you came to kiss my lips, but you brought your shovel and your guitar. The voice that once became the light into my dark soon became your tool to break my goddamn heart.
I get
Louder!
calling out my name.
But
I still feel your breath across my neck, driving me insane.
you don't love me.
So how do you explain? Walk away from my life and you live inside my brain. Live inside my brain.
And eat my heart for breakfast. Taste its tainted blood. Feel your precious poison start to feel its making veins, so you can start to feel your so-called love. Loud as you fucking can.
I can't hear you calling out my name, but I still feel your breath across my neck, driving me insane. You don't love me, so how do you explain?
You walk
Away from my life and you live inside my brain.
Thank you. Give it up for fucking giants at large. Give it up for fucking CJ, the goddamn king. I don't care if you don't know who CJ is. He's a king and you will applause. CJ's amazing.
Snapchat, don't even
I'm gonna play this next song. Is that cool?
Yeah!
Are you stoked for fucking Forever King Calling? You know, fucking Handguns, the state champs, are playing. And I like those bands a lot. I opened up for Handguns in my hometown. I was a local opener a couple years ago, and I think it's amazing that I'm on the tour with these fucking awesome musicians, and I'm playing in front of you awesome fucking people. So thank you very much for giving me this opportunity, because if you didn't come, none of us would be doing this. So give it up for yourselves.
When I see you standing there, and your eyes are unaware that I've been staring at them all night, wishing the brain behind them cared about the way you made me feel, or
How your smile makes me nervous,
or how the fact that you exist makes me feel like I have a purpose. You're playing in our bed while we're both laying down. You say you want me for a friend. I hope you know I hate that sound,
but I will bite my tongue, because I hate when you're pissed off. You should know I need your touch like
falling
loud as you
rain
can.
on thirsty crops. Damn you, stupid girl! Why won't you drop your guard?
Beautiful.
The space between our lips is bound to break my ever-aching heart.
I'm so damn sure that
You will never find a man that is ever gonna love you more. So why won't you love me?
And I've been here before a few times, and I'm quite aware that we're dying. And your hands, they shake with goodbyes, and I'll take you back if you'll have me. So here I am, I'm trying. So here I am, are you ready? And come and let me hold you, touch you, feel you, always kiss you, taste you, all night, always. Well, I fucking hate your cigarettes.
And the men that you go see, because one is killing you while the other's killing me.
But I know that you'll stay stubborn, cause you know I'll stay alone. Sweet, but no inside the grass is the only place I feel at home. Now I sit with my guitar, and I wrote you one more stupid fucking song.
I hate the way you make me feel like I'm doing something wrong.
But you'll just have to deal with all the things that I have mentioned. And I hope
this song is golden like the point of my intentions. But damn you, stupid girl, why won't you drop your guard? The space between our lips is bound to break my ever-aching heart. I am sure
that
you will never find a man that is ever gonna love you more. So why won't you love me?
Because they're fucking perfect. Thanks, Dad. Now the deed is done and there is nothing left to say. Pray to the God you don't. Louder.
That you'll love me someday. So when the years go by
And you forget how much I care. Put into song and sing along, 'cause your heart will be aware. It's like giving up on everything that you believe. To put your trust in a girl that stole your heart right off your sleeve. And I'm so goddamn sure that you will never find a man that is ever gonna love you more. So why won't you love me? Thank you. I see the fear in your eyes, I feel the pain in your heart.
How could something so ugly together be so torn apart?
You are the beauty I want, you are the angel I need. I find the proof of God in every single word that you speak. You smell like girly shampoo, I love when I smell like you. Reminds me why I wake up. And if I tremble at the sight of you, it's not because I'm cold, it's because I'm staring at the girl I want to love me when I'm old. I swear with all my heart, every word I write for you is true. And I won't hesitate to give my all to you. I hate that song, and I always play bits and pieces of it so that people will like that song can hear it. I played that song before this song because I wrote this next song about the same girl, and I do like playing this song. Well, I'm so tired of the rain falling softly on the ground, just enough
feet wet, but not enough to let me drown. And I've been laying in my bed, wishing I had never woken, begging God to ring my head of every word you ever spoken. And I broke my knuckles on the wall, because I thought about the cold. When you said you always loved me, do you not tell the truth at all? Well, if I ever cross your mind, make sure you write down the time, so I would know the moments I was eating you alive. I lay here, and I lay here, waiting with the hope that I might find some sleep. I need some sleep tonight, 'cause I've been waiting on your call, but I know it will never come. But I'm still waiting by the phone.
Don't you fucking dare!
Don't you dare say you ever loved me, or even tell me that you care. 'Cause you know what you were doing, and you know that's what you've done. How dare you say you miss me with your spit still on his tongue? I'm broken, I am beaten, I'm mistreated and I'm torn. I am cold with no direction, but I'm lost without your warmth. I'm trying hard to find some hope, and I might get the chance to breathe. So get off my mind, get back my heart, and walk away from me. I know I couldn't give you much, but I know I gave my best. You were always my princess, and now he's sliding up your dress. And I know I gave the world everything I've ever had. With Johnny Cash and love with fun, I never thought it hurt this bad. I'm so tired of the rain, falling softly on the ground. Not enough to get my feet wet, but not enough to let me drown. And I've been laying in my bed, wishing I had never woken, begging God to rid my clean head. Every word you ever spoken, I broke my knuckles on the wall, and I thought about it all. When you say you'd always love me, you never tell the truth at all. Well, if I ever cross your mind, make sure you write down the times, so I will know the moments that I was eating you the fucking line.
Thank you. So I didn't get a chance to play this song last night because I thought I was going too long over my set. It turns out I was 4 minutes short. I'm super bummed that I didn't get to play this because I think this song is the most important song that I've ever written, and that's not cocky, it's just lyrical content, I feel like, in my personal opinion. I got to do the Vans Warped Tour this year. And there's a good thing and a bad thing about that, and the good thing was I was on the fucking Vans Warped Tour, and I toured with my favorite bands of all time. I toured with Saves the Day and Bayside, and it was the greatest fucking song. But a fucking horrible thing happened on Warped Tour, and that was about every goddamn day. Probably 35 kids at least came up to me with fucking cuts all over their entire body. And at some points in the day, I wanted to cry myself to sleep, and I don't give a fuck if you think that's weak or, fuck you. I don't know how to react to that situation because I've never cut, but I have wanted to fucking die. And I don't know what's going on in your life, but I do know that I love you, and you don't know me, but I love you, and I hope you find fucking purpose in your life, because I want you to live, and I want you to have clear skin and fucking love yourself and look in the mirror, and no matter what fucking size you are or what fucking race you are, that you're a goddamn beautiful person. And this song used to be my suicide note, and now it's just my way to fucking look back and see how I was and where I've become. And this song's called Island of the Spit Boy. Thank you. Well, I love to sleep, cause I pretend that I'm dead.
But I hate waking up, cause it's hard to forget
That I've lost all control
of this life that I held so dear.
And I'm ready for the bus, but I'm not on the bench. I'm just spread across the ground, making friends with cement, hoping that the bus won't miss me when it comes my way.
Well, I made a few jokes that they said they were at myself and I don't make a sound. I scream out help. I start to struggle to hold myself back from thrusting my head straight through the fucking glass. I'm tired of calling. Girls don't care. It's breaking my back. I ain't aware. I'm more than depressed. This time won't be wasted. But I am just a broken boy that no one wants to play with.
Thank you. Your faith is strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and on the night overthrew. She tied you to her kitchen chair. She broke your throat, she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah. Loud as you fucking can.
Hallelujah.
Louder.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
So cold is the wind that blows your hair. So warm is your touch upon my skin. And how tired am I of being scared? But how awake am I now that I know you're here? 'Cause I'd rather
fight with you than laugh with another.
I'd rather freeze in your arms
Than be warm under covers. And I'd let you hit me
before
I'd ever let you hit the floor.
And I'd rather choke than to breathe in your absence. I'd rather
Feel to feel another's passion.
louder.
And I'd rather die on the day that I give you a kiss than spend the rest of my life knowing I never did. So just hold me.
So just hold me and tell me that I'm everything you need. Tell me that that lonely little heart of yours that I've been dying for ain't out of reach. So if you're looking for some proof that there's a heart inside of me, then lace your fingers between mine.
And you will see you start to leak.
And I know you're not a crush, but I can hold you when I stand.
God, I'm living for your touch.
But I would die to be your man. And let me look into your eyes like I am searching for your soul. Wrap my arms around your waist like it's dying from the cold. Run my fingers through your hair like they are water from the drain. Press my lips against your back like they could take away its pain. Ooh, ooh, to give you everything. There is nothing I won't do. Turn my heart into a blender. The pour it out to you.
I know you're running tired.
Just let me hold you for a bit.
Dive my face between your thighs until I cannot feel my lips move.
I got one last one. I'm gonna get off the stage with that. If you know the words, please sing along. This is a cover. Back in school, I never taught us what we needed to know. Like how to deal with the snare of someone breaking your heart. 12 years, I got it all together.
A night like this, it was begging to pull me apart.
Plenty quiet, I can keep the conversation. I thought it cool and I got around the kitchen. I remember everything, I know you never would. I know I wanna kill you like old what you call the getaway. Tell me what you got away with, cause I've seen more fun than jellyfish. I've seen more guts than 11-year-old kids. Have another drink and drive yourself home. I hope there's ice on all the roads, and you can think of me when you forget your seatbelt. Again when your head goes through the windshield. Is that what you call tact? Well, you're subtle as a brick and you're small on my back. So let's end this call and end this conversation. So is that what you call the getaway? Tell me what you got away with when you cut the phrase from the time you said we said best friends make friends around, and is that what you call the getaway? Tell me what you got away with, cause I see more fun than jellyfish. I see more guts than 11-year-old kids. I know the dice on all the roads, and you think of me when you forget your seatbelt.
And when your head goes through the windshield.
Everyone's caught on to everything you do. Everyone's caught on to. Everyone's caught on to everything you do. Everyone's caught on to. You let me down.